welcome back to our channel. So today's video we are going to be unboxing a Amazon return mystery box. What that is, it's an Amazon return mystery box.
Pretty self-explanatory.
I guess it's this company. They're called WiBargain, W-I, and they have mystery boxes. They have a ton of mystery boxes. You know, they have Amazon, they have Target clothing, like Target household items, and it's just a box, and they just fill it with stuff that, you know, the companies either sent back or that people returned, and then you guys can buy the box. And I also have a discount code. It's KSB15, and you'll get 15% off your purchase. I'm gonna have them linked down below so you guys can check them out. But Jay is super excited about this unboxing, which is why he's in the video.
I'm excited about all your videos, babe. What are you talking about?
Sure. He's been like bragging about this box forever.
It's probably not even going to be anything like...
And the thing was that it wasn't even for Carla and Jay, because normally I'll get requests and they'll say for Carla and Jay. And this one was just for Carla, they said.
Wow, there's a bunch of girl stuff in there. Watch. Yeah, let me help you.
I can't open it. And he's been asking me like forever, when is the box getting here? It was actually extremely fast shipping. It's okay. What did you say?
What did I say? Alright guys, well this was fun. Oh.
So I'm not sure how it works. I think if you guys check out their website, I did check out their website briefly, and I actually did want to buy a mystery box because they had like a Target clothing one that was only like $38, and then if you guys use my code, it'll be even cheaper. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness!
This is cool.
Whoa, let's show the box. Okay, if you guys can see it. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on pause really quick because I need to film TikTok.
A tiki-tok.
A tickety-tock. So we're gonna close it up.
First thing I saw was this. I was like, I'm out.
All right, we are back. Oh, and I did forget to mention though, this Amazon box, everything that is in here retails for $500 or more. So first item we are going to pull out. Oh my god, this is like, I don't want the kids to see this. This is gonna end up everywhere in the house if they see it.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Oh my goodness. It's a bag, Miss Fung. Now I've seen people like, oh, it can also be a backpack because it has the little hooks. This is actually really cute. Really? This would be like a, oh, and it's insulated like here. So if you put a bottle in here, that is so cool.
That is cool.
That is cool. This would be like a perfect like Universal Studios or Disney bag because it turns into a backpack. I actually really like it. I've seen people post that like they'll order a box and then they'll look up to see what the value is, so I can like check this on Amazon to see how much it costs. Oh, I actually think they're trying to tell us to have a baby. To have a baby.
Why?
Look, it's a diaper bag.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I think it's a diaper bag. It has like a lot of stuff in here. So this was definitely probably a return because it doesn't have the tag, and then it doesn't have the little handle thing to strap on as a backpack. So that's a bummer that it doesn't have that, but I mean I could probably easily find one of those. The demons are coming. Alrighty, what is this? It says Adidas on here. What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
You're bummed, huh? You wanted a whole ton of electronics.
Hello?
No.
What is this? Wow, they must know I'm working out, but I don't know who this is gonna fit.
Go to medium.
Okay.
You can still fit into this.
I could still fit into this?
Yeah, no. Not right there.
Wow. So these are the shorts. These are so cute. I wish they would have been my size. I think I know someone that might be a medium though. So this could be a Christmas present. And the retail value for these are $30. And it has a tag, so.
Oh, they don't remove the tags?
Well, that one didn't have a tag. So the next thing on here is a
water
Purify
bottle.
You
a glass
water bottle. That is so cool. I'm telling you, I wonder if they're like...
What?
Like this box was meant for us because we're working out. Oh look, that's really cool.
Hey, that is cool. You can start using these.
Yeah.
I like this. I really like this actually.
You really like it? I need to see the... I wonder how much this one retails for. I feel so weird because I'm missing a nail. Should we just show the obvious?
The obvious thing?
The obvious big thing here.
What is this?
What is this?
Let me see.
It is a Baby Yoda.
Oh, it is like the return stuff.
Oh, wow.
Because it shows information of people that
shows the address. That's so funny.
I forgot to mark that out.
This is so perfect because Mia likes Baby Yoda, and it's like a...
Is it like robotic? It moves?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She is gonna love that. We need to hide
Dana's
that.
gonna be freaked out by it.
We need to hide it from her.
Why? Christmas?
We can give it to her for Christmas.
Oh.
She likes Baby Yoda, and she likes stuff that like move like that. All right, next item is a
digital wireless weather station.
Hmm.
Wow.
If we need to know the weather, outdoor.
You can like
indoor.
have it right there, and it'll constantly tell you the weather throughout. That's cool. I like that.
You like that? What's this big thingy?
Let's get it out of the way.
What is
A
this?
decorating set. Oh, like a...
The noun, spinning, can have a few meanings.
Hey, Alexa. Quiet.
She's like, I'm here.
It's like I want to be part of this.
What is
A
this?
decorating set.
A decorating set. Hmm. Oh, this is for like cakes and stuff like that.
Well, this is where the most value probably came from. This was adding the most weight.
Yeah, this was definitely the heaviest. I have no idea what this is though. You know what? Cindy's into all that baking stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Put this on the side. Oh, sorry, camera. Ah! No way!
What is this?
They sent us a blender.
Wow. Wait, no power cord.
It's right here, silly.
Oh, duh.
That is so cool. It's a Ninja. I know these are pretty pricey. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm actually really happy about this.
So there is technology in here. That's kind of the tech stuff.
I wonder if you get to choose like the box you want, like you know, just
theme.
Yeah, like a theme. This is so cool. I've always wanted one of these.
Didn't we talk about like this
getting
not too
one of
long
these.
ago? A Ninja one?
I told you I wanted one, and it comes with like the little cup thingies. Alrighty, last 3 items. How many items came in total? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 items. That's a lot.
What is this?
CDs. Incredible color.
Oh, it's what everyone has been talking about, the LED light strip.
What do you mean?
That is cool. Look.
Oh, like behind TVs and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, that is pretty
I
cool.
wonder why they returned this. I wonder if it works. That's the question, huh?
Oh yeah, that's the thing. How does that work?
If the item,
If the item doesn't work, it won't. I think it's as is.
Let's
Look, you
try
can
it.
control it with Alexa. That's complicated.
That does. Let's see. So what I think you just plug it in from here, you know?
No.
No.
We can mess with that later.
We can mess with that later. Yeah, I don't know how that works. Okay, well, I opened it and I made a mess out of it. It's sticky though, so that means they probably tried to stick it already.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, these would be pretty cool. We could put it behind the bed. Or behind the kids' beds because they like the lights.
Yeah. Or behind the TV.
Behind the TV. You're behind your TV. Alright, next one. It is another little mug thing. And it's my favorite color, so I love these. How cute. It's so tiny.
A little mug.
I honestly
Look,
think
it's a theme.
I to have a baby.
What does this have to do with a baby?
Because you put the hot water for the baby here.
Oh, I see.
Or the breast milk, the warm breast milk or something.
I see.
Something. Alright, this is the last item. I want to keep
that's
going.
Really cool, actually. Okay.
I'm gonna order a Target clothing box, okay? It's a wireless doorbell.
How does that work? Just go put it in. Let's see.
Oh, that was pretty much it for the box, guys. I'm honestly satisfied because I got this blender that I've always wanted.
You're like the blender alone was enough.
The blender alone is okay. I just need to wash it and all that because it has like, I don't know, maybe it looks like they maybe might have used it like once or it just got scratched being thrown around everywhere. No, it doesn't look like it's been used. But yes, this is definitely what I am happy about. I can't wait to use it. I have a cheap blender, guys, that I've had for like 4 years. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this is fancy.
Fancy, fancy.
Nice.
I'm sorry, baby. I know you wanted more techie stuff.
I thought there was a PS5 in here.
You really did.
I was like, the weight.
He's like, it's so heavy they sent us a PS5.
Someone returned a PS5 because he wanted an Xbox.
Alrighty, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Let us know if you guys like this video. Maybe we could possibly order some more boxes.
I think I'm addicted. I think I want like 2 or 3 more of these.
I know. I kind of want to keep opening them. They're pretty exciting. They sell pallets too, like humongous pallets, and they ship.
I've seen those.
I would definitely love to get a pallet.
Yeah, but those are like $1,000.
No, they're not. They're not that expensive.
Really?
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. That's going to be the end of this video. Let us know if you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in our next one.
Bye guys.